Good day viewers, my name is Audrey Polton. Welcome to lesson 2 for grade 10 and 11 mathematics. The topic for today is solving simultaneous equations by substitution. Let's have a look at the objectives of the lesson. By the end of today's lesson, you should be able to solve simultaneous linear equations with two unknowns by substitution. In this lesson, we will learn about a method called the substitution method to solve simultaneous equations. One variable will be replaced by an expression in terms of another variable. Consider the equations x plus 5y is equal to 19 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 18. In this case, we have an x term which has the coefficient 1. This is an indication that we can easily use the substitution method to solve these simultaneous equations. Transpose the first equation to make the x the subject, in other words, to remain by itself on the left. X is equal to 19 minus 5y. This means that an x is the same as 19 minus 5y. If they are the same, then they are interchangeable and one can be replaced by the other. Replace the x in the second equation by 19 minus 5y. This gives an equation with only one variable, so it can be solved as usual. Multiply out the bracket and then collect the like terms to get minus 13y on the left and minus 39 on the right. Dividing by negative 13 gives y is equal to 3. This means we have one of the two values we want. We had x is equal to 19 minus 5y, which gives us a way to find the value of x. Y has the value 3, and using this gives 19 minus 15, which gives x is equal to 4. The solution to the two equations is x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 3. Now that we have the solution, we should check that it is correct. Substitute the values for x and y into both of the original equations and see if they work. We had x plus 5y is equal to 19 and 3x plus 2y is equal to 18. For the first equation, this gives open bracket 4 close bracket plus 5 open bracket 3 close bracket, which gives 4 plus 15, leading to the answer of 19, which is correct. And the second equation becomes 3 open bracket 4 close bracket plus 2 open bracket 3 close bracket, leading to 12 plus 16 with a total of 18, which is also correct. This means that the solution for the system of simultaneous equations is correct. The substitution method is always possible, but is best if one of the variables has a coefficient of 1. If that is not the case, the substitution method can lead to uncomfortable math. All the equations shown on the screen have a single variable which can be written as the subject of the formula. In each case, the right-hand side is what would replace the variable on the left side. Look at this for a few moments so you can see what has been done to each equation. Each has been transposed to make the single variable the subject. Here is another example of using substitution to solve simultaneous equations. 3x minus y is equal to 14 and 2x plus 3y is 24. Notice the y term has a coefficient of negative 1. Transpose the equation to make y the subject. This gives y is equal to 3x minus 14. Now you can replace the y in the second equation by 3x minus 14. Multiply out and simplify the equation by collecting the like x terms together on the left and the number terms together on the right side. Solve to find the value of x as 6. If x is equal to 6, we can solve for y using y is equal to 3x minus 14. The calculations are shown. Look at them and be sure that you know how we get y is equal to 4. Now that we think we have the solution, we need to check by substituting the values of x and y into the original equations. 3x minus y is equal to 14 and 2x plus 3y is equal to 24. For x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 4. Substituting gives us 3x minus y and 2x plus 3y is equal to 3 open bracket 6 close bracket minus 4 and equal to 2 open bracket 6 close bracket plus 3 open bracket 4 close bracket, and it's equal to 18 minus 4 and also equal to 12 plus 12 is equal to 14 correct and equal to 24 correct. Try the check for yourself to see if these values are correct. We've come to the end of the lesson. Let's summarize what we have learned today. In this lesson, we have learned about a method called the substitution method to solve simultaneous equations. One variable will be replaced by an expression in terms of another variable. Once you have the solution, you should check whether it is correct. Substitute the values for x and y into both of the original equations and see if they work. The substitution method is always possible, but is best if one of the variables has a coefficient of 1. If that is not the case, the substitution method can lead to uncomfortable math. Transpose each equation to make the single variable the subject. Viewers, we have come to the end of the lesson. Thank you for watching. Until next time, goodbye.